A checklist is a list of items that need to be completed to make sure a task is done properly. They are effective in two primary situations: when you need to make sure nothing is missed in a task, when you need to break a complex task down into several simple steps. Checklists are effective because they make work easier to understand and complete. To create a checklist item, simply enter the text in the field and press Enter. Each item can be moved and either turned into a sub-item manually or with keyboard shortcuts. Items can also be assigned to a specific employee, so only that employee can complete them. You can easily add multiple checklist items at once in a single field, turn them into sub-items, and then split them into separate parts using keyboard shortcuts. Please note that each item has a menu where you can quote it, select assignees, add, edit, and delete items. You can also turn any item into a task. This is particularly useful when large, long-term work needs to be divided into stages. Let's go back to the parent task and open the checklist. As you can see, you can use the checklist settings to perform bulk actions on items and control how they are displayed. You can also show or hide subtasks and drafts from here. This is not the only place to update a checklist. You can also do so in the Task Creation card and when adding a comment. If you need to see the checklist without opening the task, you can display it in the planner. To do this, simply open the list settings and select the Cards view. Then add Checklist to the list of displayed fields. And that's it! You can easily use Planfix checklists to make task management easier. You can learn more about checklists in the Help Center articles. We've left the link in the description.